Friends, the question is on the screen. A part of monthly expenditure of a family is constant and the remaining varies with the price of the wheat. When the rate of the wheat is rupees 250 per quintal, the total monthly expenditure of the family is rupees 1000. And when it is rupees 240 per quintal, the total monthly expenditure of the family is rupees 980. Find the total monthly expenditure of the family when cost of the wheat is rupees 350 per quintal. So friends, here it is said that the monthly expenditure of a family is constant, and let that monthly expenditure of the family be rupees X, and the remaining varies means changes, and the remaining varies with the price of wheat, means it is dependent on the price of the wheat. When the rate of the wheat is 250 per quintal, the total monthly expenditure of the family is rupees 1000. So let the requirement of wheat is Y quintal. So the quantity of wheat consumed by the family is Y quintal. Then by condition 1, we get that X is a constant expenditure plus the other expenditure on the wheat is dependent on the cost of the wheat, and the cost of the wheat is 250. Total quantity is Y quintal, and therefore the total expenditure on wheat will be 250 Y, and this total expenditure is given as 1000 rupees. Now similarly in condition 2, or you may say it as case 2, it is said that when the cost of the wheat is 240 per quintal, the total monthly expenditure is 980 rupees. So X will be the constant expenditure plus the rate is 240 per quintal. Total quantity required is Y quintal, so total cost will be 240 Y, which is equal to, and this total will be 980. Now we have to solve these two equations simultaneously by elimination method. So this is number 1 and this is number 2. So here what we have to do, here X and X is there, both are having plus sign. So when you will subtract these two equations, the signs will change and X will get eliminated, and therefore we will get a linear equation in one variable. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get, subtracting equation 1 and 2 we get, so if you subtract, the signs of this will change. So X will get eliminated, 250 minus 240, that will be 10Y, which is equal to, this will be 1000 minus 980, that will be equal to 20, and therefore Y is equal to 10 2s are 20. So Y is equal to 10. This is the first value you have got, and therefore highlight this. So put the value of Y in either equation number 1 or the equation number 2, so that you will get the value of X. So putting in equation 1, we get, so we will put this in equation number 1. So what will that, X plus 250, Y is 2, so 250 into 2, that will be 500, which is equal to 1000. Take 500 to other side, and so it will be X is equal to 1000 minus 500, so that will be 500. So you have got the another value, highlight that. Now you have got X as 500 and Y as 200. What is X? X is a constant expenditure correct? What we have assumed that X is a constant expenditure, and therefore constant expenditure is equal to rupees 500, and Y, that is quantity of wheat, that is equal to 2 quintal. But here the question is not finished. The question is asked that find the total monthly expenditure of the family when the cost of the wheat is rupees 350. So when the cost of the wheat will be 350, then what will be the total expenditure? Of course, total expenditure, that is what we have got it as rupees 500. So total expenditure will be 500 plus 2 quintal wheat is the requirement, monthly requirement, and rate is 350, correct? Rate is 350. So this will be 500 plus 350 plus 2, into 2, that will be 700. So here 500 plus 700, that is equal to 1200. And therefore at the end you have to write the answer that the required expenditure is equal to rupees 1200. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much from the very core of my heart.